quite the most fitting song to play on 98.7 The Bay this afternoon when Nemo began, as this is far from a bright and sunshiny day. The seacoast is expected to see 2 feet of snow by late tomorrow morning, and that snow has already started to fall. On my ride home from Dover to York, Maine, winds began to pick up fast and snow seemed to be accumulating more and more. A majority of schools in our region were closed today, and many businesses closed early to allow community services crews to remove the snow. As of early this afternoon, no major accidents had been reported. However, this was hard to believe because on my way home, roads were covered in snow, some better plowed than others. As I neared closer and closer to the beach, cars were few and far between. The town of York has already placed large cement blocks on the sidewalks to prevent coastal flooding. Visibility is also worsening. It is difficult to even see a quarter of a mile ahead. This will only increase as the night continues. York has also seen about 5 inches of snow at this point, and we all have a long night ahead of us as the storm picks up and really starts to spit snow after 6 o'clock tonight. So stay inside, stay warm, and most importantly, stay safe.